Hi, this is Brewy. Hi, Brewy. We're at Maraylya. This is the dust storm. Have a look. It's so potent. Dust is everywhere in the air. And if you're out in the west, out in the country, I hope you're staying safe and I hope it's not as dusty. It's supposed to be dusty out in the west, in the country. Look at the sky. It's so dusty down there, but you can't see it in the camera. But it's very, very, very dusty. Very dusty. Very dusty. Very dusty. In the air, very dusty. And windy. Windy and dusty. Look at the clouds everywhere. Dusty. And windy. It looks like rain, but it's not rain. It's just real dust in the air. It looks like fire, but it's not fire. Hopefully you can see it in the camera. And then the trees are going a million miles an hour. Well, this is Brewy. We're at Maraylya, soaking up all the dust. It's not good. If you're having the dust in Sydney, please close your windows. And if you're out in the west, stay safe and try and stay out of the dust if you can. Sometimes you can't because you're working in it, but try and cover up with a mask or a bandana or something and stay safe. Dust free. This is Brewy and we're at Maraylya looking at the dust northwest of Sydney. Goodbye.